Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell XRP on eToro. It's the same for mobile app or the browser. So let's get straight into it. Now, what you need to do, I assume that you probably already bought your XRP cryptocurrency. Now, what we need to do, log in into our account and then head over to the portfolio. So click on it and you will see your XRP right over here. Alright, now what we can do. Now we can head over here to the right side where you see these vertical small three dots at the really at the corner. Click on it and then here we have close. So we can click on that. It will open up this pop-up window. So here we have average open total PL current value and closing all the position at once may have a price impact due to increased volume. But yeah, let's say we have just one XRP, so it's okay. So click on close all, just like that. And now we have sold our XRP. Now, yeah, we can check the history if it's here. So now, as you can see, we have bought our XRP for 10,000 at this price and then closed at this price. And we made 0.02% profit. So €2 profit we made. All right. So this is how you can close XRP on eToro. So on the phone is pretty much the same. You will just see icon where you can close the position and just hit on it and you will close the trade. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.